What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to create and host your very own website with WordPress.org. We're going to start with scratch, and by the end of the tutorial you'll have your very own website hosted online with your own domain name um, for everybody to see. So before we get started, I'd like to go over the difference between WordPress.org and WordPress.com. WordPress.com is more just for blogging, and it's the free version, and there is not a lot of customization. You can't install plugins, widgets, or anything like that, and you can't have your own domain name. Good news, they're going to host it for you, but this is just going to be more like a blogger.com or blogspot.com or any of the above. So that's not what we're going to use today. Instead, we'll be using WordPress.org, which is a way more powerful tool, which we will install so that we can use custom themes, plugins, widgets, make a custom site with our own domain name, and yes. So normally you would need to download WordPress from their website here. However, the host that I use and that you're going to be using today has it built in already, so they make it really easy to install WordPress, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. And they also give you a free domain name when you sign up. So next, you're going to want to go to the link I have in the description, which will take you to Bluehost. This is a hosting company that you will use to host your WordPress.org website. First, they're going to ask you if you need a domain name or if you already have one, and it will transfer it for you. It's kind of a pain to do that, so I usually like to create a new domain name. So just for the sake of this tutorial, the tutorialsdaily.com. Hopefully it's not taken. Okay, sweet. Then it's going to ask for your account information and package information. If you get the 36-month price, it'll be cheaper per month. It's already extremely cheap hosting for unlimited data storage and unlimited emails, and they give you a free domain name, so it's a good deal. And I already made an account to save some time, so I'll go ahead and log in. And scroll down to site builders, and you'll see WordPress. Click on that. And scroll down under blogs, you'll see WordPress again. Click on that and press install. It'll ask you where you want to install it. I'm just going to select my main domain name. It'll ask for your site name. Mine is Peter's Path Store. Then it'll ask you for if you want these plugins and themes, but they won't be activated until you actually manually activate them, so it doesn't really matter. And then I'll agree to the terms here and press complete. And it says it already exists. Just check this box if you have that problem and press complete. And it'll begin installing. Alright, so now you can see that you have the site URL, which is just the domain name. The login URL, this is important. You're going to want to save this. This is where you log in to work on your WordPress website. And then they give you the username, which will always be admin, and then they give you your password. So next step, I'm going to copy my password and go to the login for our WordPress website, admin, password, log in, and here is the WordPress dashboard. So once you're on this page, the first thing I want to show you is themes. If you go to Appearance and Themes, you'll see that we currently have the 2012 theme, which is the automatic one when you first set it up. So if I click on Visit Site, you can see that we have the 2012 installed. It's just a very simple layout for our website, and we want to change that. So I'll go back to the dashboard, Appearance, Themes, and if you go to Install Themes, click on that tab and then press Find Themes. You can browse through all of WordPress's free themes, and you can always upload a theme from another website. There's a lot of websites that sell professional themes and whatnot for WordPress, but honestly, WordPress has a ton of free themes that are excellent. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick one of these out. Let's go with Business Light. And okay, it looks good. So I'll just hit, oh, I already have it installed actually. So, but normally here's what you do. I'll just pick another one. Here, iRibbon, install now. And activate. And here's where you can customize. You go to appearance and then iRibbon options. Each theme is going to have different options, but you can customize the design and the other options they have. Each theme is different. There's some complex themes and there's some very simple themes, but let's just show you that the theme is indeed installed. So it's that easy to install a theme on your website. So go back to the dashboard, and this is the dashboard. So here, right here, is where it says how many pages and comments you have. It'll tell you if you have any pending, approved, total amount of comments, and you can change this. It's totally customizable. You can drag and drop, minimize what you want to see and what you don't want to see. And plugins, if we go here, you have to activate. These are the 3 that I installed with Bluehost. However, none of them are activated until I actually press activate. But same thing as the themes. If you press add new and look through WordPress's themes, they have tons and tons of free themes. Share on Facebook, share on YouTube. They have every single theme you could think of, or I mean plugin that you could think of, AdSense, all of that. So it's really cool. You can make your website very dynamic really easily. You don't need to know any code. It's all done through WordPress, and it's awesome. So if you go over here to post, this is where your actual content is going to come from. If you just press add new, and you can write, add pictures, make a title, add tags, post it, and it'll automatically put it on your website. So I'm not going to go over this whole dashboard, the whole WordPress system. I just wanted to show you guys how to create a website and how to get it hosted. So I'll let you guys play around with WordPress, but that's it for today, guys. See you next time.